Okay, over we have the name. Name is the second column. You can see we are going over here and adding inside of the quotation name. Suppose my product name is mouse. Okay, getting. So I'm adding mouse over here. I'm using after that comma, after that price. What is the price of your product? I'm adding the price of product. Suppose the 250 leons. Okay, 250 leons mouse I have. After again I'm adding the comma, and over here is what? Warranty. Okay, warranty means what? How many years warranty you have? So I can put that inside of the bracket again. Maybe I have 1 year warranty. Getting? Exactly 1 year warranty. So we done that. Now we are selecting this all stuff, and after that we are going to the execute. See, when we are executing, you can see this data is going to the inside of the my product. Right now I'm refreshing that. After that, you can see I'm just closing this column stuff, and I'm going to the product table. See, after the product table we have the 1 2 3 sections are over here, right? So we are clicking over here in this table. This is the grid table. So when we are clicking to the grid table, you can see I can check that ID is the one, mouse is the second, and third is the 250 is the price, and warranty will be the 1 year. So this is exactly I made it that. Right now maybe you have the doubt, sir, but it's take a time to the add a 1111 product. How we can do together? We can do as the lot of data together also. But right now, see, if suppose I want to put to the second data, second row, how we can put that? I'm just canceling that. Okay, now see, I want to put the second data as it is. I have this one, just I'm changing to the number. Okay, I'm putting over here number 2, and suppose I want to the keyboard. See, I'm putting over here keyboard. Okay, suppose I want to the keyboard. What is the price for keyboard? Suppose 500. And how many years of warranty? Maybe I have only the 6 month warranty, not the year wise. Okay, so I'm putting to the months. Okay, done. Now let's go add this information. I'm just selecting as it is, and I'm saying what? Execution. You can see execution is done down. Okay, now refresh also. Now let's go back to your product table, and 1 2 3 third option is what? For if you want to see that. Okay, now I'm clicking over here. You can see the extra data is added over here in the second row. Perfect. So like that. So you can see we done this stuff all. Okay, even we can add the at a time lot quantity of data also. How we can do that? See, simply again I'm canceling this the product, and I'm going again back over here. See, insert into product, ID, name, price, this one we need to put as it is. Just we need to change what, we need to go over here the values. I'm putting over here, I'm right now putting what value. After that I want to put over here S is the values, and over here the number 3. Okay, suppose keyboard. Right now maybe I'm putting to the same information. Just I'm putting to the number this one different. Okay, if you have the another product, you can put also, suppose the computer. Okay, suppose I'm giving to that computer 10,000 leons. Okay, after that month of warranty, maybe it's I'm giving to the 2 months only the warranty. Okay, after that, don't use over here the semicolon, add over here the comma. Okay, and after that go to the down and add again the whatever you want to add. Suppose right now what I'm doing, I'm copying this as it is stuff. Copy. Okay, and I want to paste that. Okay, I want to copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, copy paste. Suppose this different information I want to put only the end section. You can see over here, don't use the comma. Okay, and the last section add the this one. Okay, okay, let me add comma. Okay, just last section we don't do, we need to use only what? The semicolon. So you can see right now number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. So this 9 information I want to put. Computer, suppose after the computer maybe laptop. Okay, after the laptop, suppose I want to put pen drive, pen drive. Okay, after that I want to put something watch. Okay, after that maybe I want to put what that another stuff, headphones. Okay, after that maybe I want to put earphones. Okay. After that, maybe I want to put mic, right? So this different list I made it. Change the price also. For laptop is this one is so for computer is this one is okay. Laptop is more than costly. 6. Okay. After that, pen drive will be the 50 leons. I am not writing to the right price just for understanding purpose. Okay. Watch may be the 600. Headphone will be the 700. Okay. After that, over here, phone, headphone will be, earphones will be the maybe 100. Okay. And mic should be suppose the 150. Okay, so like randomly I'm taking the numbers. Okay, for right now I don't have the time to the select, different months, so we are putting as it is. Okay, only over here understand what we need to do. If suppose we want to put together information, okay, insert into product is the table name. Okay, first I want to declare over here again what my tables id, name, price and warranty. Okay, after that previously we are putting only the value. Okay, now we need to put what values. Okay, s we need to put, and after that see again I want to put over here what the my values whatever I want to put inside of the table. See the table one, after that comma, again another value, comma, another value, comma, another data, comma, another data, comma, another data, comma, and last only section don't put the comma because I don't want to add anyone the over here data, just I want to add what the semicolon. Okay, now use that, select everything all stuff and execute. Now see, this is my query is executed. Now let's go to the product. 1, 2, 3. When you are going to the over here, you can see all information at together you can add. But if we can changes your warranties, that's also then we can see the warranty also the different, right? Is it your data is ready? Right now, you know what we are doing? We are using the trick. Which trick we are using? We are going 1, 2, 3, and we are using the grid method, right? But the official way, if we want to see the data, simply I want to write over here that is query is sorry for disturbance. Okay, now see if we want to see the that particular data, particular data, all that database or table, I want to see the table only. Okay, so what we can use over here, select, okay, star, select star from database name. What is your database name? So what is your table name? Product, right? So I'm putting over here product. Okay, after the semicolon. Now I'm selecting this. Okay, and I'm saying execute. Okay, now you can see, right? So this is the official way we can see our product table. Okay, so this is exactly right now. I want to stop the practical. What we done in this practical, let me show you. Okay, I want to just close this. Now see, first we are making one database. After that, we use that database. Again, we can making one table inside of that. Inside of the database, we are creating that table and we are giving to the columns also. Okay, this is the columns. And after that, we are inserting data inside of your database. And the last section, we are see that data whatever we are put. So this is our today's practical. Thank you so much for today's guys. Okay, I'm stopping the video.